Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so. Now make sure you do this from the right side. If you do it from the left side, it gives you your notifications. So from the right side, and here we have a bunch of toggles. Obviously we're looking for the power saving toggle, which should be added somewhere here. For me it's a little bit lower, as you can see. And once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It will turn on dark theme or mode, and also it will change your refresh rate to 60. And outside of that, there might be also things happening to your Wi-Fi and mobile network, which might be very important to some people. So a lot of power saving modes, I don't know if this one is falling under that category, but I do want to mention this in case it is. So a lot of the power saving modes tend to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So when it goes to sleep mode, which this could be considered sleep mode after like a couple minutes of just not using it, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you won't be receiving notifications from any kind of applications that would require internet connection. Now that being said, there's two options for this. There is one that it just won't connect to it as long as you're not using the device, and there's the other alternative that it might be reconnecting to it every some period of time to see if it's missing any kind of notification. So either you're just not going to be receiving notifications at all, or they will be delayed. And it might be very important to a lot of people. That's why I'm mentioning this. Now, with that being said, once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to turn it off, just find the toggle once again, tap on it, and your device will revert back to the way it was before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.